Right now. Oh my!
Look at those legs.
Oh my!
Yes, Daryl. Mutya ng masa.
It's the New Yorker.
New Yorker.
Hi, Frankie. How are you, Frankie?
Hi, Da.
How are you
Da.
today? It's so
Yeah,
hot.
it's so hot here in the Philippines. That's why I'm here. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Oh.
How's your
I'm-
vacation here?
It's not so good. I'm very worried with Grandma, Lule.
It's your second day, right?
Yeah.
Lole, second day here.
How's your
I
lole?
said-
How's your lole?
How's your Lole?
Oh, I'm very worried. Lola is getting worse.
Oh.
Lola is getting worse.
Lola's dying.
Lola's dying as in dying, Frankie. Bakit sila eh? Frankie, comfort me.
Comfort.
Don't worry, Lola. Don't worry.
That's
Don't
not
worry.
Lola. That's
I'm
not Lola.
Doris.
Don't worry, dear Lola. Da.
Yeah. You're such a gentleman, Frankie.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. That's why I want to marry Yaya. I like Yaya so much.
Why don't you want to marry me?
You?
Well,
Come on.
come on, Frankie.
You think you like me?
I think Yaya is not meant for you. Let's go back to New York.
Please. No.
Let's go back to New York and live happily after.
Wow. Come on.
So,
Hey, Da.
yeah, Vic.
You like Frankie?
Bossy. Come on, boss. But I'm sorry. I love someone else.
Oh.
I'm sorry. You know, you're cute, you're beautiful, and you're nice.
You're out of your mind, Frankie.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Hey, if you like Frankie, why don't you show him what you showed Alden yesterday?
Yeah, you know, Frankie, just try. Let's just try.
Try what?
Open your eyes. Look at me.
Oh, look at him. Look at her. Yeah.
Bebe Tang.
Isn't it exciting?
Pabebetang.
It's nice, but not.
Can you say?
It's nice, but not good.
Huh?
I don't
Why?
like the girl show the tongue like that.
Like a wacky.
You should
Yeah.
like me.
Why?
Because I am cute, I'm pretty, and I'm for you.
Just what you say. You're cute.
You're not meant to Yaya.
I want Yaya. I want Yaya.
Yaya, where's Yaya? Yaya.
Yeah,
Where's Yaya?
where's Yaya?
Yaya.
Hi.
Oy.
Oh, patros.
Oh.
Umbrella, so hot.
You have your
Can I help
Starbucks?
you?
Yeah, I have my Starbucks.
Can I help you?
May I see the Starbucks?
The logo, please. What?
BOX.
Yaya, what is this? It's kaping barato. I don't drink that.
What?
I want my macchiato with cream.
Wow, with cream,
In
huh?
New York, I always have my macchiato
With?
with cream.
Cream.
Not that. Kaping barato.
What?
You know, Yaya, this is all your fault. Yeah, this is all your fault.
Don't blame Yaya.
I should blame her?
Why?
She's giving Lola a heartache, a hard time. That's why she's very sick right now.
6 after
7.
5.
5.
Mali pa eh.
Sick before.
So what can you say?
Sobra na.
Oy.
I promised my sisters I would be strong. But it's so unfair.
It's unfair.
Hey, Dan, stop nagging or shouting, Yaya, please.
You know, I really don't like Yaya from the start.
You, but I like Yaya. I want to marry Yaya.
What a married guy, huh?
I don't know why Lola really like you. I hate her. You like her? I don't care. But I hate her. I really don't know why Lola really like her.
You're inggit.
You. Look at her face. Do you like her eyes? Her nose? Her
Good.
lips?
Look at the lips. Very nice lips.
Look at mine.
Wow.
I see.
With
Nice.
Tila on the side. Pole dancing!
Wala sila dito.
Pole dancing!
Polosebo, it's Polosebo.
Okay, you slide down. Oh, mainit. Mainit, di ba?
Lap no say! Wow!
Can you do that? So hot. Can you do that, Yaya?
No,
of
Yaya,
course
no.
you can.
No. Don't
That's
do
why, Frankie,
What?
you open your eyes and you open your mind.
I'm open my eyes early in the morning.
When I wake up.
Wake up.
You decide now. You decide.
I like Yaya. Yaya, I like you. I want to marry you.
Oy.
Damana, Yaya, look. Can I?
Okay.
Come on.
You like Yaya? Yaya. Where's your guy? Where's Alden?
Oy.
Ay.
Where's that guy?
Don't call Alden. I'm here now.
Alden? Where are you? Can't wait to see you, Alden. Come on. Show yourself, baby.
May sinusulat eh.
Kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan. Dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman.
Loving you is more than just a dream come true.
Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumaling. At sa tuwing ikaw ay lalapit, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil. Ang pangalan mo, sinisigaw ng puso. Sana'y
Kumain ka na ba?
magdama mo rin ang lihim ko. Pagtingin sa iyo.
I'm falling for you. Finally, my heart.
No one else comes close to you. No
Oy.
one makes me
Sakit
like
naman.
you do. You're so special, girl, to me. And you'll always be eternally. Every time I hold you.
Frankie, why don't you like also?
Sure.
I pray for someone like you. And I thank God I do cherish you for the rest of my life. You don't have to think twice. Love you still.
Died every day waiting.
True to life yung kiling mo, ha, Yaya.
Don't be afraid.
True to life yan, Yaya. Kitang-kita ko.
Wala. love you.
Kasi Yaya, nag-glow yung mata bigla.
Ingat lagi daw.
From you. It's not that I want you not to say, but it.
Ewan ko, bakit ba ganyan? Damdamin ay maintindihan.
Come on, you're crazy, Yaya. All the fun sign was for me. No, it's for me. Stop the music. Stop the music. Stop the music.
Wow,
Can you
may
turn the
power.
camera on that whiteboard? On the whiteboard. Read that. Alden Love Maine. Who's Maine? It's not you. I am Doris Maine. Doris Maine is my real name.
Ganun pala.
Doris
I'm
May.
so sorry, Yaya. So, Alden,
Ay, binura.
finally,
Yaya Bob.
Pinalitan.
Yaya
Yaya
Dab.
Bob daw. Yaya Bob.
Yaya Bob.
Parang babala yun ah. Yaya
This
babala.
is Yaya Dab, and I am Yaya Bob.
Ay, ginawa ng Dab.
May katunog yung yayabab.
I can give whatever you want, Alden. Finally, you're awake. That's nice, boy. Come on. Try to think of Lola. Try to think of Grandma. Baby, come on, you're cute, cute. Look at me, baby. Come on. Look at me. Kiss me. Oh, you want to touch me? Come on now. Not now. This is for you.
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
But you know, Kathy DJ, I don't want to enjoy my life here. All I want is my grandmother. Grandma is suffering right now.
What?
She's so sick.
What happened?
Hinabi ko, diba?
What happened?
3 beses niya lang siyang huminga. Sa isang araw. Mas lumala. Wow, lumala.
Bakit?
Wala.
3 beses, isang sa umaga, isa sa tanghali, isa sa gabi.
Ngayon, ano nangyari?
Isa na lang at may kalahati. Isa sa umaga,
Paano?
isa sa merienda. Kalahati pa yung hininga. Wow, hindi ka ba naawa, Yaya?
Pero ayaw mong tumigil. I can't stand to see her suffer, Yaya. Don't stress, Lola. If you really don't make tigil talaga, as in tigil, as in stop, I will make sumbong. Really, I will make sumbong na talaga, Frankie.
Don't sumbong ya. Hey, get out of my page.
And I'm warning you, just like what Lola said. Babala.
Asawa ni.
Babalu. I'll make some sumbong. All of you, I'll make sumbong you, especially
Hey,
you.
where you going? Don't go back.
No! I
Go
want to
away.
go back to New York.
Wow.
I will make sumbong.
Yaya, paano yan? Magsusumbong na siya.
Lagot kayo.
Asawa nino?
Lagit kayo.
Yaya, magsusumbong na siya. Yaya, lalayo ako. Huwag ka lang himatayin. Yaya, hindi ko inaanong mahalin mo ko. Hayaan mo lang mahalin kita. Don't stop my heart beating. Huwag mong pigilin ang pagtibok ng puso ko.
Ah, okay.
Yaya, ibibigay ko sa iyo lahat. Please? Yaya. Ma?
Lumipat
Kanina
na
ba
kayo.
kaya?
Kahapon lang. Yaya, please. Marry me. Yaya, I like you.
If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends.
So come in and get me, get me, get me. Baby, I'm yours. Come in and get me. You'll never be lonely, lonely.
Isaw?
Ng manok.
Close your eyes. Give me your hand, darling.
Kung mawawala ka, hindi ko makakaya harapin ang bukas ng nag-iisa. Kung ako'y iiwan mo, paano na tayo?
Date tayo.
Sayang ang pangako sa
Soon.
isa't isa.
Ayun na.
Kung mawawala ka.
But all I really want is to hold you tight.
Ngayon na!
Be with you.
Hanggang wala si Lola, wala si Doris! Dali!
Yan.
May close-up na naman
Ano
ni
yan?
Frankie, oh.
Ano yung sabi ni Frankie?
Ampunin nyo na ako. Ano ba? Paparetoke ko. Mukha. Kape, mukha.
Papalitan ng...
Kamukha ni Alden.
Wow naman.
Wow!
Yeah.
Yak!
Sakit naman.
Uy, bagong dating!
Who's that? Oh, Lola! Lola!
Ang bilis!
Lola? Yaya, Lola.
Si Lola!
Lola, what happened? Lola, what happened?
Nagsumbong talaga si
Sumbong nga si Doris.
Totoo pala yung sinabi ni
Oo.
Doris Main.
Doris Main
Si
Dizon.
Lola.
Makakapagsalita ba yan, Frankie?
Lola, kamusta ka?
Bless ka muna.
Aray ko.
Ay, sorry, Lola. Lola,
Mumutla, oh.
how are you, Lola?
Nakakapagod, Frankie. Mahina na ako.
Lola.
Putla na eh, oh.
Tulad nito, ang hirap magkasakit. Ang daming
Lola, please.
nakaantabay. May medics,
Meron.
may gwardiya,
Guardia.
may
Pulinarya na ata.
punerarya.
Palsabado.
Sabi ko na eh.
Sir, anong pangalan mo?
Yan yung right here waiting for you. Funeral.
Anong pangalan ng funeral?
Right here waiting for you. Funeral.
Ay,
Pangalan na po na Raya,
Right here waiting for you. Parang,
Funeral. Parang
Meron
hihintay na.
bago lang yan, bago.
Bago. Pero dating ano yan,
ano?
come and join us. Funeral homes.
Nagbago ng pangalan. Come enjoy.
Lola, wag muna. Magpapakasal pa ako, Lola.
Frankie,
Yung mana ko, Lola.
Frankie, pumunta ako rito para ibigay ang mga habilin.
Lola,
Ay,
Lola.
oh.
Gusto ko ingahabilin ang aking mga iiwang kayamanan.
Uy.
Kina
Lola,
Rogelio.
huwag ka munang umalis. Hindi ka pa bayad sa akin.
Uy.
Kina Rogelio.
Sila Rogelio?
Rogelio.
May mana yan?
Rogelio. At kay Roge.
Lola.
At kay Roge.
Rogelio.
Maliit na Rogelio yon.
Kaya Rogel lang.
Roge.
Rohel lang.
May sulat akong binigay
Kanino?
kay Yaya.
Anong gagawin ko, Lola?
Marunong ka magbasa.
Lola, kahit ano, wag lang magbasa.
Sinulat ko.
Marunong ako, Lola.
Pilitin mo, pilitin mo.
Yan yung binasa ni Yaya kahapon ba yan?
Pakihawak.
O, pakinggan nyo,
Si
pakinggan nyo.
right here waiting.
Kailan libing mo?
Lola,
It's really...
Dr. Tan Ning.
Dr. Tan Ning.
MD.
Talaga raw may sakit.
Ano ba?
Dying,
MD ba yan o mo?
Hindi po.
MD.
Ah, MD.
MD.
Akala ko namumura. MD.
Galing sa doktor to, Lola.
Galing sa doktor.
Lola, marami pa tayong aayusin, Lola. Hindi
At
pa tapos yung kasal namin.
Bukod, Frankie, sa
Lola.
iiwan kong nakayamanan din kay Yaya,
Oh.
nandun na rin yung utang ko sa'yo.
Lola, hindi importante yung utang. Importante yung mabuhay ka, Lola. Kahit isang segundo lang, Lola.
Pinasobra ko.
Mas malala sa taning yun ah.
Yung utang ko, Frankie, ibibigay sa'yo bilang isang mabait ka rin sa akin.
Lola, wag mong...
Pinasobrahan ko ng 200 pesos.
Lola, nakakahiya sa'yo. Ang laking pera nun. Pero wag ka muna mawala. Magpapakasal pa kami ni Yaya, Dab.
Alam mo, Yaya, ito lang ang gusto kong kay...
Di kita iiwan, hindi papabayaan. Sa akin ay hindi ka iiyak.
Iyak si Yaya eh.
Salamat, Yaya. May hihilingin lang ako sa inyo ni Alden.
Lola! Lola! Lola!
Sabihin mo sa akin, kailan mali ang pag-ibig? Kailangan bang masaktan pa ating mga damdamin? Yakapin mo ako o hagkan mo kong muli. Huwag kang bibiti, sabay natin hahaplusin ang langit. Ang langit